Did you know that you can easily remove videos that has a green screen in Canva? Well, Canva has a feature that allows you to remove videos and pictures that has green screen. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Let's jump to my computer so I can show you how this is done. Now guys, as you can see, I have a video here of a cat and a green screen. And in order to remove the background, what I'm going to do is just simply make sure that I select the video and just click on edit video here. And you see this BG remove. I'm going to go ahead and just press it, and that's going to just easily, simple remove the background, or let's say remove the green screen for me. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this a step further and I'm going to add a background to this video. And here you can see that we have our cat, and I've adjusted the cat a bit, changed some filters here, and yeah, let's have a look at our video now guys. Now have a look at that. Cat just chilling in the garden, you know, watching what's going around him, and yeah, it seems like he's really looking underneath the flowers there. And yeah, and that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to remove backgrounds or remove green screen from videos inside Canva. Guys, I hope you find this video useful, and if you find some value within this video, don't forget to let us know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, we'll appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.